Are you looking for simple ways to save money and live more sustainably? What if I told you one of the most impactful changes you could make is as old-fashioned as it gets? Discover how line drying your laundry can transform your home, your wallet, and the planet. Line drying laundry means harnessing the power of nature, sun and wind, to dry your clothes. It's a simple, effective method that bypasses energy-hungry machines. This choice is a win-win for both your budget and the environment. Many people are surprised by the sheer number of benefits, from reducing your carbon footprint to extending the life of your favorite garments. Line drying offers practical advantages. Let's dive into why this traditional method is making a modern comeback. Tumble dryers are energy guzzlers, consuming vast amounts of electricity. By choosing to line dry, you drastically cut your household energy consumption. This directly translates to a smaller carbon footprint and a healthier planet. Beyond energy, line drying eliminates the need for chemical-laden fabric softeners and dryer sheets. These products often contain perfumes and dyes that can irritate sensitive skin and harm aquatic ecosystems. Embrace natural freshness instead. Sunlight acts as a natural disinfectant and deodorizer, leaving clothes smelling incredibly fresh. The wind helps to soften fabrics naturally, often reducing wrinkles. This method also significantly reduces lint accumulation in your home. Line drying also helps regulate humidity levels indoors if you dry inside. This can prevent mold and mildew growth, contributing to a healthier living environment. It's a simple step with far-reaching benefits. Your utility bill is one of the most immediate places you'll see the impact. Tumble dryers are among the most energy-intensive appliances in your home. Switching to line drying can lead to significant savings on your electricity costs every month. Think about the money you spend on fabric softeners and dryer sheets. With line drying, these become unnecessary expenses. Your clothes will feel soft and smell fresh naturally, saving you money on recurring purchases. Heat and friction from tumble dryers can damage fabric fibers, leading to clothes wearing out faster. Line drying is much gentler, preserving the integrity of your garments. This means your clothes last longer, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Less wear and tear on your clothes also means less lint in your dryer's trap. This not only extends the life of your clothing, but also reduces the risk of dryer fires. It's a safer, more economical choice all around. For those with sensitive skin or allergies, line drying is a game changer. By avoiding chemical softeners and dryer sheets, you reduce exposure to potential irritants. Sunlight's UV rays also naturally sanitize clothes, killing bacteria and dust mites. This method is particularly beneficial for preserving the color and texture of your clothes. Heat from tumble dryers can cause colors to fade and fabrics to shrink or become brittle. Air drying maintains their original vibrancy and shape. The natural process of air drying helps eliminate musty odors without artificial fragrances. Your clothes will carry the clean scent of fresh air. This is especially appealing for minimalists who prefer natural solutions. Line drying can also be a gentle form of exercise, involving bending, stretching, and carrying. It's a simple way to incorporate light physical activity into your daily routine. Plus, it connects you with the outdoors. Some worry about clothes feeling stiff after line drying. A short spin cycle in your washing machine before hanging can help. The wind also naturally softens fabrics, and a quick shake once dry can fluff them up. If outdoor space is limited or weather is an issue, indoor drying racks are excellent alternatives. Place them near a window or in a well-ventilated area. Dryer balls infused with essential oils and also add softness and a subtle scent. Yes, it can be more time-consuming than a dryer, but consider it a mindful pause in your day. The benefits often outweigh the extra minutes. Integrate it into your routine, perhaps while doing other chores. Be mindful of weather conditions. On rainy or very humid days, indoor drying is best. If pollen is high, consider drying indoors or shaking clothes thoroughly before bringing them inside. Delicate items like silk or lace should always be dried in the shade to prevent damage. Line drying laundry is more than just a chore. It's a conscious choice for a more sustainable and economical lifestyle. It's a simple yet powerful step towards reducing your environmental impact and saving money. You'll enjoy fresher clothes, lower bills, and the satisfaction of a greener routine. Ready to embrace this smart, eco-friendly habit? Start small by line drying a few loads a week. Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more practical tips on living minimally and saving money.